Fuses are great, and connectors are awesome, so Harting put them together like peanut butter and jelly. The HARTING Han Protect 3A series heavy-duty power connectors are more than just plug and play, they're plug and protect. Han Protect eliminates extensive fused terminal blocks and offers an alternative for circuit breakers, enabling a reduction in cabinet size and reduced thermal cutoff. These connectors integrate a 5x20mm fuse along with a 0.76 meter cable, all while providing 4 contact points. The connector has a polycarbonate casing that utilizes a single lever lock for ease of removal and maintenance. Furthermore, no special tools are needed to remove fuses and make changes, and fuse replacement can be done from the cabinet side, meaning there's no need for long maintenance downtime. With a current rating of 4 amps and an operation voltage of 24 volts, these connectors are the perfect solution for cabinet industrial applications.